How to get a US TikTok account anywhere in the world. In this video, I will show you how to create a business account in the United States of America and earn money from it. This method that I teach works for 99% of the countries. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Creating an account on TikTok is a relatively simple process, but due to the extensive explanations and the laws of different countries, it is recommended to read the relevant laws before starting. Here are some basic steps to create a TikTok account. Introducing TikTok and its global popularity. TikTok has taken the world by storm with its short and creative videos that captivate users of all ages. With its user-friendly interface and extensive library of effects and filters, TikTok has become a platform for entertainment and self-expression. The program has gained popularity worldwide and has attracted millions of users and content creators from all over the world. Download VPN. A VPN, virtual private network, is essential to access TikTok as if you were in the US. Choose a reliable VPN service and install it on your device. Connect to a US server. After installing the VPN, open the app and connect to a server located in the US. This will give you a US IP address and TikTok will think you are accessing the app from within the US. Create a new TikTok account. Now that you have a US IP address, go ahead and create a new TikTok account. Follow the usual account creation process and make sure you select the United States as your location. Start exploring and creating. Congratulations, you now have a US TikTok account. Start exploring the app, follow other US-based accounts, and start creating your own content to engage with the US TikTok community. Benefits of having a US TikTok account. Having a US TikTok account comes with many benefits. First, it gives you access to a wider audience base, as the US market is one of TikTok's largest and most active markets. By entering this market, you increase your chances of gaining more followers and expanding your reach. Tips to optimize your US TikTok account. Now that you have a US TikTok account, it's important to optimize it for maximum visibility and engagement. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your account. Use trending hashtags. Stay up to date with the latest trends and include relevant hashtags in your videos. This will help your content reach a larger audience and increase the chances of being discovered. Second, a US TikTok account opens up opportunities to collaborate with other US-based influencers and brands. This can lead to engagement, sponsored content, and even the possibility of monetization. The US market is known for its thriving influencer marketing industry, and by having a US TikTok account, you're establishing yourself as part of this lucrative ecosystem. Completing your profile. Now that your account has been created, you can complete your profile. This includes adding a profile picture, more information about yourself, and linking to other social networks. Start following and creating content. Now that your account is ready, you can start following others and creating content. Note that you must always follow TikTok's rules and regulations, and that the content you create is consistent with ethical and legal standards. By doing these steps, you can create your TikTok account and experience sharing content and communicating with other users of this platform. In today's world full of technology and social media, there are various platforms that allow us to communicate and share content. Among these platforms, TikTok has attracted millions of active users from all over the world as one of the most popular social networks at the moment. But to start working on TikTok, you need to create an account. In this article, we will provide you with a comprehensive and complete guide to create a TikTok account. From the beginning of downloading and installing the program to the steps of registration, setting up a profile, and starting to create content, we will explain everything to you clearly and accurately. In this article, we will also discuss security tips and things you should keep in mind to protect your personal information and account on TikTok. Also, we will share tips for creating interesting and popular content on this network. So stay with us, and by reading this article, easily and confidently create your account on TikTok and enter the fascinating world of this social network. Have you ever wondered how you can make a place for yourself in the world of creativity, entertainment, and communication with the audience? Interested in sharing your content with millions of people around the world? If your answer is yes, then TikTok is the best place for you. TikTok, as a short video platform, allows you to create and share videos on various topics, including music, dance, art, humor, etc. to connect with other users around the world, and bring interesting and fun experiences. But to enter this world of many possibilities and sharing, the first step is to create an account in TikTok. But don't worry, in this article we have provided you with a comprehensive and complete guide to help you easily and confidently create your account on TikTok and enter the fascinating world of this social network. Also, in this article, we will review security tips to protect your personal information and tips to create popular content on TikTok. So stay with us, and by reading this article, easily and confidently create your account on TikTok and enter the fascinating world of this social network. In the fast-paced world of social media, everyday young people and adults around the world are looking for opportunities to express their creativity and connect with others. In this world full of information and communication, TikTok, as an emerging and popular platform, has quickly highlighted its position among social networks. Not only does TikTok allow you to create short and engaging videos, it also gives you the opportunity to share your interests, talents, and creativity with a worldwide audience. Inspired by dances, songs, challenges, and other creative content, this platform allows you to enter an energetic world full of new ideas. But to start the adventure in this fascinating world, it is necessary to create an account in TikTok. Your TikTok user account is the starting point from where you can enter the wide world of this social network and communicate with other users. With the advancement of technology and the ever-increasing expansion of social networks, communication with others and sharing personal experiences, interests, and talents has become one of the most important virtues in modern life. Therefore, TikTok has been created with the development of a new concept in the space of social networks, which allows users to display a reflection of their creativity and abilities in the form of short and attractive videos. But the most important step to start this fascinating journey is to create a user account. A TikTok account is not only a gateway to the fascinating world of this platform, but also an opportunity to become a popular content provider and connect with your audience. In this article, relying on our experience and specialized knowledge, we will provide you with a complete and comprehensive guide to create a TikTok account. Join us to teach the steps of creating a user account from start to finish in detail, and also discuss the best ways to attract the attention of the audience and create popular content on TikTok, and review important security tips to protect your privacy. In this article, we will provide a comprehensive and complete guide to create a TikTok account. From the steps of downloading and installing the app to setting up a profile and starting to create content, we will explain everything to you clearly and precisely. Also, we will review security tips to protect your personal information and tips to create popular content on TikTok. So stay with us, and by reading this article, easily and confidently create your account on TikTok and enter the fascinating world of this social network.